You can make ships like this just using the Extrude tool. Let's learn how to use that now. You can extrude vertices, edges, or faces. In this case, I'm going to extrude faces. Let's go ahead and select a face on this cube. I can press E to extrude. I can select multiple faces and extrude both of them. And I have different options for extruding. You can press Alt-E to open up the extrude menu. I can extrude faces along normals. I can also extrude individual faces. And I can extrude manifold. Extrude manifold makes it so that there's no walls when I extrude downward. If I were to select this face and press E, I have walls that I don't want. Extruding is very powerful and is one of the top tools I use on my models every day.